Alright, hey guys, welcome back. This is my first video on this channel. Subscribe. So I've been seeing this thing all over YouTube, maybe TikTok, I'm not too sure, but what they do is they take hairspray and they like spray it on their lips and they hold down and use the hair dryer. And I don't know how that's going to work, but we're going to try and see. Subscribe, turn on post notifications, and yeah, and if you haven't, check out my TikTok. It'll be down in the description below. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some hairspray, as you see. So close your eyes. Don't do this at home. Just, you know, if you have anything that's flammable or flaming, don't have it around. But anyways, like, take it on your lip. Okay, and hold your lip down. Turn my mouth. Okay. Oh! It actually works. Oh. Oh. Guys, it actually works. Hell, I want to do it again. Maybe a little more, so it'll stick better. Perfect. Let's not get it in my mouth. Yeah. Okay. I'm not doing that again. Ugh, it's sticky. Yeah. I hate that feeling. So, it does work. I didn't think it worked when I first seen it. I thought it was just Photoshop, you know, to make your lip come down. So I decided to try it myself, see how it went. Yeah. Well, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Peace.